everyone. Hope this video finds you well. And we have a quick update regarding, backing your Zoho Creator applications. If you have C5 or later, C6, C5, you can actually back up both the application code as well as the data that comes with it. So all you need to do is go to the setup section of your Zoho Creator account, and then look for the operations tab on the left hand side. And then the options that you have in front of you, just go to the backup section. So in here, you're going to see that now the backup includes both schema and data, which is a great update by Zoho. So thank you very much for that. But the other thing that we need to be aware is that every 6 months, every backup that you schedule is going to expire and it's going to be deleted. Based on the release that we got from Zoho, it says note, option for automatic backup deletion are alive starting this month, December 1st, 2023. So what that means is that all the backups that you have are going to be expiring after 6 months, but you can schedule and it will renew a new one for you. But if this process is something that you haven't done before, just make sure to come to operations, schedule a backup, just create new backup here. You can choose the application that you want to back up. For example, I want to back up the QR codes, frequency. I don't need these to be as frequent, so I'm going to choose a month. And then I want to preserve both the data code, the code of the application as well as the data. So it's a schema plus data. And then you can choose a date when you want this process to begin. I'm going to choose every 15th of the month. And I'm going to do this at night. And then delete backup after. You can actually manually set this. So this is when, if you don't choose this, by default, Zoho will delete it after 6 months. But you can choose for these updates to be deleted, let's say every month. So it's gonna run monthly, store the data, and then delete the old one and start with a new one. But let's say that we want to take this up to 2 months. So the backup that I'm scheduling now will be deleted after 2 months, and then a new one will kick in. So that's all you need to do, and then just make sure that it's active. And then here it is. It will expire in 60 days. So you at least have visibility on the time frame where your backups are going to be expiring. And then last but not least, you can check the logs of everything that you have backed up, and when was the last time and what the status of the backup is. So this is a great update. Please make sure to check your operations sections on the setup of your applications, and if you haven't done so, please make sure that you do a backup of your applications. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care.